Good work, Kronk.
Oh, they're so easy to make. I'll get you the recipe.
Hey everyone! Today we are going to make a dish from one of my favorite movies, Kronk Spinach Puffs from The Emperor's New Groove. Now don't be misled by the name of this dish because our first ingredient is not actually spinach but one whole yellow onion that we will finally dice. Next we will mince about 6 cloves of fresh garlic and place them aside for the moment. Now you may think that 6 cloves of garlic is a lot, but this will add such an awesome flavor to our spinach puffs that it just hits your mouth like
Ha! Boom, baby!
Next we will place about a tablespoon of olive oil into a large pan and pour in our onions. Saute for a few minutes just until the onions start to become translucent, then add the garlic. Stir fry for a couple seconds until the garlic becomes fragrant, then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of dill and stir to avoid burning. Now comes the star, emperor of the dish, around 6 cups of spinach. Now you can see why I said to use a large pan. But don't worry, using the burning fires of revenge, or just a stove on medium-high heat, we are able to transform the spinach into around 1.5 cups of cooked spinach. Yeah, this stuff really shrinks. Once your spinach has fully wilted and become a much more manageable size, we can go ahead and take it off the heat. Next we are going to mix up our filling, so to start we will place 8 ounces or 1 package of cream cheese into a bowl along with around 1 cup of feta cheese and 1/2 cup of grated parmesan. We can also add our spinach mixture. Mix thoroughly and season to taste with salt and pepper before adding 2 egg yolks to add a bit more structure to our filling. Now it is time to fill our puffs, so I've just cut a sheet of puff pastry into triangles, and one at a time I can lay down a triangle and add about 2 tablespoons of filling into the middle of each pastry. Then spread a bit of egg wash on 2 sides of the triangle and join them together, making sure to pinch the seam very tightly to avoid it coming apart in the oven. Try not to place too much filling in these puffs because they will become very difficult to close. As you fill your puffs, you can place them seam side down on a baking tray. Once all your puffs are ready, brush down the outside with egg wash and place them in a 450-degree oven for 20 minutes. Now while those are baking, we can listen to a special message from yours truly. Now you may already know this from the title of the video, but today is a very special day because it is the 1-year anniversary of my channel. That's right, 1 year ago I posted the first video on my channel and I had no idea the amazing love and support that I would receive from you all. And I'm so grateful to have you all here watching my videos. We can also acknowledge an important milestone for our community today because we recently reached 100 subs on this channel. So I wanted to give a huge thank you to you all for helping us reach this goal. When I first started this channel, I didn't think I would get this far, and I'm so excited to make more recipes for you all in the future. If you have an idea of a recipe you'd like me to make, please leave it down in the comments below. And now that we've finished that, I can't help but feel like I'm forgetting something. My spinach puffs!
Saved them!
So today we made Kronk Spinach Puffs. Ever since I saw this recipe in the movie, I've always wanted to try making them myself, and they actually turned out really well. And now that we're finished, there's only one thing left to do, and that's a taste test.
Watch it. They're still hot.
Oh, sorry Kronk. So after our spinach puffs have cooled, we can finally give them a try.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
Alright, let's see what Yzma thinks of them.
I've never liked your spinach puffs. Never!
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and consider sharing it with your friends. Otherwise, stay tuned and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye!